Alright, welcome back again. As we discussed last time, we're going to set up a few different types of items. So we're going to go up to List, and go to Item List. Here's our wood that we set up previously as an inventory part. Right click again here, click on New. This time we're going to set up a non-inventory part. Now if you'll recall from this chart here, some of our raw material is going to go to work in process, some of it's going to go to factory overhead. These two little phrases here are why. Direct material, the wood, is very significant, so it's going to go from raw material to work in process. When you're building a door, though, think of something like the glue, maybe, that holds the door together. It's not significant enough in cost to track directly, so instead of moving it to work in process, we're going to put it into factory overhead. So in this case, we're going to go ahead, let's put it here, glue, or wood glue. And we're going to just say wood glue here in the description. Now here's the tricky part, the account. There are a few things that we can do with this. It's going to go in an inventory account. We could put it in raw material because, again, as in the chart, we see it going from raw material to factory overhead. However, a lot of companies, when they buy something, they buy it more as needed. They don't keep it in storage too much. And so instead of taking the time to put it in raw material just so later you can transfer it to factory overhead, in most cases it's okay just to, when you buy it, put it right in factory overhead. Keep it there. Hit OK, and you see over here again inventory type. It's now a non-inventory part. All that means is that when we buy it, it's going to show up in our factory overhead account as an asset. So again, on this chart, as soon as we buy it, instead of going from here down to here, it's just going to start out here, and when we're ready, and again, this is another video, but when we're ready, I'm going to show you how to move that to work in process.